What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Idle here with Milky Tech. Today I got something special for you. Shout out to Justice Camera for sending out one of their dash cams. Are you guys looking for a nice gift to give someone this holiday season? Well, I got just a gift for you. The link for this product will be below. If you use my code MilkyTech40, you get 40% off. Now let's get this done. I've done a couple of dash cams before, and I think this might be a superior product. I like the camera on here. Based on the specs, it's a 12 megapixel camera with an f1.8 aperture. Now, you want a smaller f number. A smaller f number will tell you something about the lens. We'll say it's a faster lens, so it will capture images quicker. So, if God forbid an accident were to happen, the camera can actually capture all the details. And the smaller the aperture, the wider the lens can open up. Think of it like the iris in your eye. In low light, your iris opens all the way up to let as much light in as possible. And at night, to get all those details, if anything were to happen, you want a smaller f number. And of course, you want the resolution so it could capture everything. And this camera seems to check all those boxes. This camera records at 1296p, which is higher than HD, which is at 1080p. Let's go over the packaging. Overall, looking at the package, it's a nicely packaged product. Here are some of the features. Our HD recording, 4-inch display, which is touchscreen, a nice 170-degree wide-angle lens, so you can capture almost everything in front of you. Loop recording, so this way it will keep on recording even if you were to run out of space. It will just go from the beginning and recording over older files. This way, if anything were to happen, you'll always have that file. You won't lose it because of not enough space. G sensor, so if there's any kind of like accident or anything, it will automatically record and save that file. And it has a microphone built in. And this is sponsored by the Awad law firm. This is an amazing law firm that does a lot of good work. So if you guys need a lawyer, hit these guys up. Now let's open this guy up. Shh, no tape. I like that. First, we are greeted with the camera. Let's put this to the side. Take all these goodies out. First thing we have here is our product manual. Here we have our window mounting for the camera. Here we have our super long charging cord with a micro USB to the cigarette lighter. And lastly, the star of the show, the camera. And this, overall first impressions of it, it's really, really high quality. We have a metal casing instead of a plastic casing like you'd get in most other dash cams. A nice lens. I'm actually looking forward to using this. So let's go over the whole product. At the top, we have where we mount the camera to our window mount, our power USB port, another port which I believe that if you have a backup camera, it connects here. So we'll test that out in my car. I believe that this is a video input jack. Ooh, this is a mirror. It has a mirror shine. Over here is our mode button. Up, our OK-power button, down button, and our menu button. On the bottom, we have our micro SD card. I'd recommend getting at least a 32 gig micro SD card. On the back, we have our 4-inch touchscreen display. On the front, we have our reset pinhole. So if anything were to happen and the camera just stops responding for any kind of reason, you just poke that in there with like a needle or something and hold it in probably for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And it should reset this back to factory default. We have our camera over here, our 12 megapixel sensor at f1.8 aperture. And it looks like we have flash as well. We have our speaker grill in the back, so you can hear it on here. Alright, let's install this. But first, before we install it, let's make sure he turns on. Or if there's enough juice in here to turn him on. I guess there's not enough juice. That's okay. So, first thing we want to do, well, for me at least, I have to take this guy off here because I can't have both of them on. That's just too much stuff. Let's take this camera off. And now in its place, let's see if we have enough juice. The light turned on and we have justice. And already I can tell you that this looks a lot nicer than my old one that's crying right now. Overall, from what I'm seeing here, this looks a lot nicer. The display is nicer. The camera quality is just looking a lot better. Let's see if this port here is actually for a video port. And it detects my backup camera. So this has a input for a backup camera, which is awesome. So this kit does not come with a backup camera, but you can always buy one yourself, and they're not that expensive, about $20, $30, and wire it yourself. So that is an option. So if you guys want to see my cable management and how I hid all the wires, check out my video right here. All right, installation is easy. You just screw this in, tighten the top, and now we are in. And you can put whatever your soul desires. For me, I want it to be right underneath the camera so I can use the backup camera functionality, and it functions as a mirror as well. All right, let's stick this up right here. Push it up, and then push this tab down. Boom. And there we go. I know the wiring is a little bit off, but apparently I'm going to have to redo the cable management in this car. And I am not looking forward to that. Remember guys, there's a deal going on right now. Using code MilkyTech, you get 40% off. I think that's an amazing deal, and I am definitely considering getting this for my family. And I think you should get some for your family as well. The quality looks nice on their 4-inch display. The display looks good. The input looks good. It is so far a quality product, and I think you should get one for your friends and family this holiday season. And I'm definitely considering getting this for my family as well. All right, now I'm going to drive the car around a little bit, get you some daytime footage and nighttime footage, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, as we can see, the daytime footage looks very crisp. The colors are very nice. All the details look sharp. And this is what we need from a dash cam. It is doing well during the daytime. And during the nighttime, the footage is also not that bad. You're seeing a lot of the colors, you're seeing a lot of the quality. It looks good. You can make out the details at night, and that is very important. Overall, the quality is great. Overall, I think this is a great camera. As you can see from the daytime footage and the nighttime footage, the details are very crisp. Some of the things I would like to see in the next iteration is 4K recording at 60 FPS. The higher the frame rate, the more information there is, the better it is for your case. Another thing I would like to see is maybe a built-in GPS. This way the footage can be supported by location. But overall, the camera quality is amazing, and I truly believe that the purchase of this device is worthwhile. You can't really put a price on your safety and your security. And this gets 2 thumbs up. Don't forget, use code MilkyTech40 to get your 40% off when you buy this product. This is a deal you do not want to miss out on. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.